Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. This month during Mahuru Māori, Māori September, I've been thinking a lot about the revitalisation of te reo, and I've got some thoughts about that because I chose to do one of the options for Mahuru Māori, which was to speak one day each week, only speak te reo Māori for the month of September. So for me, for 4 days this month of September, I only spoke te reo Māori. And it was very difficult, but it was really worth it. Sometimes it was frustrating, it was very challenging, some wonderful things happened. One of the things I noticed was that the people around me used more Māori language, who wouldn't normally probably say any Māori language, or perhaps not very much at all. They used Māori language. It was almost like a kind of, it was catchy that I was speaking te reo because I had to, so they didn't use English even though they knew how to speak English. So that was great. And the whole month it reminded me a little bit about the fact that when I was at the beginning of my Māori language journey, maybe after a couple of years of learning on and off, I challenged myself when I was working in a kindergarten to only use te reo for 1 or 2 hours this particular morning every week when I was working there on a Wednesday morning. And so I think I started with 1 hour, then I sort of extended it to 2 hours. And it was really tricky, but it made me use the reo that was inside here, because there was more things that I understood, but I wasn't saying them because I didn't have to. So I think for the revitalisation of te reo, we have to actually really challenge ourselves to use the reo that we have. That we have a lot of, just by assimilation and the language that we've learned over time, perhaps at school, perhaps on courses we've done, and we've gone 1 step forward and 2 steps back, but we don't make ourselves use it. So as well as making ourselves use te reo for the purpose of revitalising and normalising the language and making it being heard more, there's lots of options that we could choose. We could choose certain phrases or words or sentences that we will only say in te reo. For example, we could say, okay, I'm only going to do my greetings always in te reo. Most people know what those mean, so that's a really good one to do. Or you could say, I'm only going to use this particular phrase. It might be something like, me haere, let's go. I'm only going to say that. I'm never going to say let's go. So you can say words, phrases, whatever categories, or you could decide to have 1 hour a week, half an hour a day perhaps, whatever thing that you can manage, perhaps even a whole day a week of only speaking te reo. I'm not saying it's easy, but revitalising a language is never going to be easy. If it was easy, it would have already happened. But we've been talking about this now for a long time. So maybe we have to do some things that aren't easy. Maybe we have to challenge ourselves to use the reo that we've got to help it to become more normal. Because one part of the month I was thinking to myself, why am I doing this? What's the point? Like, nobody can understand me. I'm not speaking to anyone who knows te reo much, and what's the point of what I'm doing? And then I realised the point, because there are many countries in the world where it is normal to hear 2, 3, even more languages in the streets, in the shops, in the cafes, and nobody thinks anything of it. They just know, oh well, this is a multilingual country. And it suddenly made me realise that that could be our country, that could be New Zealand. We could be a bilingual country, and it wouldn't be hard, it wouldn't take long. It just needs those of us who do have some of the reo, and many people have a lot, to use it more. We need to not be scared. I made heaps of mistakes when I was doing my 1 day a week for September speaking te reo, but I decided not to be scared. I decided to cut out the fear, just say what I could say, because that was all, otherwise I wouldn't say anything. So we have to not be afraid. We have to realise how important it is, and realise that that will encourage other people to use their reo. And it's really important, and I really encourage you to find what you can do to challenge yourself to use a little bit more of the reo that you can every day, every week, every month, every year, and not just for te wiki o te reo Māori or for Mahuru Māori all the time. kia kaha te reo Māori. Ka kite.